While poor mental health drains energy, hampers productivity, and strains relationships, regular exercises can revitalize your mind, boost focus, uplift your mood, and transform overall well-being into a thriving state. Hello everyone. Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on mental health improvement with daily simple exercises, so let's start. The first one is aerobic exercise. Boosts mood, reduces stress, and energizes your body. Do this brisk for 10 to 20 minutes daily. Simply move at a steady pace to elevate your heart rate. Second is strength training. Arms raises. Builds confidence, improves focus, and reduces depression. Perform bodyweight exercises or lift light weights for 15 to 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Now the third is yoga. Relaxes the mind, enhances flexibility, and eases anxiety. Practice poses like child's pose or downward dog for 20 minutes daily. Pair with deep breathing for maximum calm. Number 4 is Tai Chi. Improves mental clarity, reduces stress, and boosts balance. Flow through slow movements for 10 to 15 minutes, focusing on breathing and posture. So, the last one is mindfulness meditation. Sharpens focus, calms the mind, and lowers anxiety. Sit quietly for 10 minutes, inhale deeply, and observe your thoughts without judgment. If you find these exercises fruitful, so please like, subscribe, comment, and share Dr. Fit Facts with your loved ones. Thank you.